front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Passwords, Passkeys, and Data Services, and tap on Google Password Manager. Finally, to add a password, click on Add Password here and enter all of those informations. At the top, you can pick any app or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!